our Chief Minister Shri N. Biren Singh made a clarification on the North-Eastern Council's Vision India 2047. It is under the Ministry of Donor. So there he made a clarification that some of these error was found, and that is related with the Manipur issue, that in the vision document, Manipur is mentioned as Sinkuki of Manipur, like that. So for this he made a clarification. In these connections, I am giving you the statement of the Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee. So in fact, the present crisis in Manipur is still continue, and also it's very serious and very sensitive matter, that how come this North-East Council's Vision Document 2047 referring the Manipur as Kuki Sind of Manipur, which is non-existence in India. So it is indeed very disturbing to learn the news on the draft of the Northeast Vision Plan 2047, in which word Sin state of Manipur was mentioned. So in fact, it is adding fuel to the already burned state of Manipur. So it creates a lot of problem in the ongoing violence in Manipur. So how can this Sinkuki of Manipur is mentioned? For this, I just want to appeal the Honorable Prime Ministers of India, how in this juncture of Manipur violence, how much of this affected violence in Manipur is mentioning in the Vision Document 2047. So Prime Minister should make the clarification on this matter, which is adding fuel to the burning in Manipur. And also the Honorable Minister Donor, Shri Scindia, he should also clarify on this matter. It is very irresponsible to put this word Kuki Sind of Manipur, which is non-existent at all. So he should resign. In the present, in connection with this document and statement written in the Vision Document 2047, in fact, we can say that this present violence in Manipur is a handiworks of the double engine government, BJP in the state as well as in the center. So never try to stop this violence from the center, and also it is very difficult to understand the role of the central government. As we know that Manipur is a very small state. At any moment, the central government can intervene and stop the violence by the central government. And also now, after 14 months of violence, is creating the problem again in the Vision Document 2047, which the people will feel anguish on it, and will feel unrest, will create the very unrest mind in the entire people of Manipur. So also our leader, LOP of our Congress Party, Shri Rahul Gandhi ji, appealed many times to Shri Honorable Prime Minister Modi to visit Manipur. Very recently, couple of weeks back, our leader Shri Rahul Gandhi ji appealed Shri Modi ji to visit Manipur and to find out solution over there in Manipur. So after these 14 months, complete violence over there in Manipur, Prime Minister intentionally never speak on Manipur issue and also never visited over there. So in this matter, Honorable Chief Minister Shri N. Biren Singh made a clarification on the statement Kuki Sint of Manipur in the Northeastern Council's vision document 2047, saying that it's a very just like irresponsible statement. It's an error which makes no sense at all. So rather it will create problem between the communities. So the statement which he made by the Chief Minister is also the Chief Ministers of BJP in Manipur. How can it comes that this factual error is a long sentence, not a mistake somewhere like this misspelling or something like. It is a statement which has mentioned in the document. How can Biren Singh claim that it is a factual error? It is not so. It will create a lot of these problem there. As we know that more than 60,000 IDPs, internally displaced people, still they are in the relief camp. You see the scenario over there where these inmates living still in the relief camp, like community halls, like schools, like in the very unhygienic this area where the IDPs living over there, and many incidents had also happened that the inmates, among the inmates there was a case of hanged to death, and the criminal cases is happening over there in the different relief camp of Manipur. So again, the coordinations between the center and the state is not sent over there. There is no room for the opposition in the democratic form of government. The ruling should at least listen the voice of the opposition. The voice of the opposition is also the voice of the people. But still then, there is no entertain any voice from the opposition. So in this vision document, there comes up a question of accountability and the responsibility of the donor ministers and honorable prime ministers, where it was mentioned in the vision document. It is totally condemnable, and also they should clarify the matters in detail to the people of Manipur, where it reflected the breach of the integrity of the state, the boundary of the state, the question of a state in the state, and a lot of questions comes up for the integrity of the territory of Manipur, where this central government under the donor ministers mention Sin Kuki of Manipur, which is non-existent at all in the Constitution of India, and nowhere it is found Sin Kuki state of Manipur. So I repeat again, it will create problem and it will continue the violence, and also it is adding fuel to the fire where the burning is still continue in our state. That's why it should be very clearly clarify to the people of Manipur from the honorable prime ministers and the donor minister, and also from the chief minister, how and why such statement, such document is there in the chapter 3 of the document in the vision 2047. So for this, I'm just seeking the clarification from the prime ministers and the honorable donor ministers, and also the chief ministers of our state Manipur. So thank you all the friends of media and also for supporting a lot of help from the Assam Pradesh Congress Committee. And today I got a good chance for for giving the clarification and also seeking the details from the government of India and from the state of Manipur. Thank you.